So guys, Thomas here, TP Parts down at the gravel pit. Maiden run down here with Team Losi's 5ive-Be, the E-converted one, which I'm running, the Leopard V2, the 58, 110, 950 kV, geared 19. So this is the first test down here, so see how it goes. Piece of cake. Jesus. Well, the thing is, they have cut out even more, if I'm not wrong. You can see it on the way down here. So I'm just gonna, yeah, not much left down here. Maybe I could do some jumps. We're gonna try. See how it goes. Jesus. Well, one thing is sure, I can't full throttle. I'm gonna land above. The car feels great, the suspension, the fan. I broke a fan blade, I think. All gravel dirt came in here, so this is something that I'm gonna fix. So one thing is sure, I need to, the car is, yeah, it feels very nimble. It's like driving a 1/8 scale, but in larger format. The speed is good, maybe it doesn't seem to, but it's really good. Could clear that gap without problem. And to jump out here, well, we'll see. Yep, gonna clear that. Ooh. There it is. Talk about metallic sound. The steering, everything feels really, really good. I'm gonna see how the fans. Yeah, it's still moving. Yeah, you heard it. Talk about unbalance. We're gonna go down there. See, no problem, can still, it is warm. I'd say it's around 55 or something like that. The motor, it's going to start on the hot side. Ooh. Maybe the motor connectors came out, I think so. Need to strap them up. Yes sir, they did, and this fault is on me. Okay guys, the motor is really warm. I'd say it's around 60, 65, 68 maybe, but I think one of the reasons with that is and the blue one, I need to secure those in a fixed position, so I'm gonna drive it carefully home and edit the clip, so that's it. Then I need to cut up the vent holes in the front of the body.